Now let us examine some of the important inventory management concepts and inventory management models. So we will be taking those models further, and we will be starting with the basic model, of course, that would be known as economic order quantity. Most of you are actually familiar with that, but I will actually be going through that model as well. So in inventory management models, generally classified as dependent demand and independent demand models. So there are two types based on the demand. Demand would either be independent or demand would either be dependent. So when you say the demand is dependent, you are actually describing the internal demand for parts based on the demand of the final product in which the parts are used. Sub-assemblies, for example, components and raw material are examples of dependent demand items. ऐसी items हैं जिनकी dependency है. It would be dependent upon something else. Let's say you have sub-assemblies. The sub-assemblies would be actually dependent upon the raw material. So internal demand के ऊपर depend कर रहे हैं. Most of the time, manufacturing items are like that. That if in a sequence you have some sequential manufacturing, then what will happen if one raw material for one component which is to be used with, let's say, component X. So if it is not there, you cannot manufacture a component X. So the demand is actually dependent. What we actually look at, or what would be our focus, would be mostly on the independent demand. The demand for the final product has a demand pattern. Now, when you say something is independent, you are looking at the demand which is dependent, actually dependent, but on the market pattern. Market mein what is the behavior for such kind of items. So here we determine one thing. The thing is that you would have history of that product with you. उस product की एक history आपके पास मौजूद होगी. Otherwise, how can you analyze the demand patterns? So whenever you say that I am going to have some independent inventory models which would be based on some independent demand, you are assuming that you can forecast it, and forecasting or estimating demand would actually be done on that history. Demand patterns कैसे आएंगे आपके पास? That means you would have some history of that item with you. और वो item की history कब आएगी? That means that item or similar to that item has been in the market for some time. Then you would be able to actually estimate the demand. आप उसकी demand को estimate कर सकेंगे. So the demand for final product has a demand pattern affected by trends, seasonal patterns, and general market conditions. वो ये forecast वाला, if you can recall it, आपके पास एक forecast का scenario आ गया. You could have trend, you could have seasonality, and you could have the cyclic inventory or the average inventory level, which you will be calling as the base stock. Base stock से क्या मुराद होती है? Base stock is the average inventory level which you should maintain. Then there is a trend. Trend means every year your sales would be going up or rather going down, or in every quarter. तो वो trend positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है. Then you could have seasonality. Seasonality क्या है? Let's say near Eid, the demands for certain items would go up. Similarly, in summer, the demands for air conditioners or refrigerators would actually go up. That is the seasonality. And that pattern would actually be repeated every year. हर साल ये pattern repeat होगा. If that pattern is not repeating, then it is not seasonality. वो seasonality नहीं होगा. Let's say in the market, you would say that there is something like अगर आप example लें, in chicken you had आपके पास जो है वो एक बीमारी आ जाती है. Then what will happen? People will not buy chicken. But this pattern will actually not repeat. Most likely it would not be repeated next year. So you will not call it a seasonality. क्योंकि एकदम आपके पास उसके अंदर recession आ गई है. People would not buy chicken or people would not be buying the eggs. But that is on temporary basis. So when it is on temporary basis, it is not called seasonality. वो seasonality नहीं कहलाएगा. So there is a demand pattern for independent demand inventory models. और वो estimate किया जा सकेगा. You can actually look at that pattern. और वो pattern हर साल या हर quarter में repeat हो रहा होगा.